Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every cat owner should consider for their furry companions, the Dimaka 29-inch cat scratching post. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. This scratching post stands at an impressive 29 inches, making it the ideal height for standard-sized cats, from playful kittens to adult felines. It's designed to accommodate their natural scratching instincts, allowing them to stretch fully while keeping their claws healthy and sharp. Let's talk about the features that make the Dimaka scratching post stand out in a crowded market. First and foremost, its construction is both thoughtful and high quality. The main body consists of a thick cardboard tube wrapped in natural fibrous sisal, which is perfect for scratching. The base is made of heavy chipboard and is covered with soft plush material, ensuring stability and comfort. This sturdy design avoids tipping or wobbling, so you can feel confident that your cat can scratch and play without fear. Plus, it's handmade, adding a touch of artisanal quality to your cat's furniture. One of the unique touches of this scratching post is the plush ball attached to the top. This little feature serves as an extra attraction for your cat, encouraging them to engage more fully with the scratching post. It's especially beneficial for larger cats who require that extra motivation to stretch out their bodies and claws completely. When it comes to aesthetics, the Dimaka scratching post excels as well. It comes in 5 beautiful colors: brown, dark brown, light gray, blue, and beige. This variety means you can easily find a color that complements your home decor, ensuring that your cat's scratching post doesn't clash with your interior style. Now, let's discuss who this scratching post is suitable for. It's designed for standard-sized cats, which includes most breeds except for the larger ones. This means it's perfect for households with kittens or adult cats that need a reliable scratching solution. It's also great for multi-cat homes, where different cats can share the post without feeling cramped. In practical terms, the Dimaka scratching post serves multiple functions. It provides a designated area for your cat to scratch, which helps save your furniture and carpets from unwanted claw marks. It's also ideal for keeping your cats active and entertained, especially when paired with the plush ball that encourages play. You can place it in a common area where your cat likes to hang out or even close to a window where they can watch the world outside while they scratch. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the thoughtful design of this product. It comes with all the necessary tools, and you can assemble it in just 3 simple steps, taking less than 4 minutes to set up. This means you can quickly get it ready for your cat, allowing them to enjoy their new scratching post without any hassle. Overall, the Dimaka 29-inch cat scratching post is a well-designed, reliable, and attractive solution for cat owners looking to provide their pets with a healthy outlet for scratching and playing. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget